Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys all the things I included in my advent calendar for my boyfriend. Now, these items are personalized to him and things that I know he would like or things he has mentioned throughout the year. I took notes, guys. I really did. I have a notes section on my phone, and I took notes of like any little thing he mentioned and just big things overall, so I knew what to get him as his main Christmas gift. But I want to show you guys what's inside each one of these little boxes, and some of them, I mean, they look little, but some of them I ended up cutting the back of the boxes so I could fit longer items into it, and you guys will see that as well. Please do not mind the mess in the background. I've been doing so much crafting. There's boxes literally all over my room, and like packages and stuff, so lots of crafting. It's a busy time of the year, so please do not mind the background, but I did want to show you guys what I had put into this gorgeous advent calendar that is sized bigger than normal, because I don't like putting just a whole bunch of treats in an advent calendar. I actually wanted to do useful things and still make it look pretty. So the box file you guys will be able to find, it's in my KK printable shop for the box, and then the tutorial of kind of like how I put everything together is another video aside from that, so I will have that link down below. If you guys don't want to do the 24 days of Christmas and you guys do not want to create a box, not a box, I'm saying a Christmas tree, you guys could just wrap up these gifts individually, but I hope that it gives you ideas of like what you could give to a boyfriend, because I do find that men are a little harder to shop for than women, but that's just me. I always find that to be a little bit more difficult. But anyway, let's get started. I'll set you guys down and show you guys what I got him. They're not going to be in any order. I'm just kind of starting in one spot and going through them. So if I do day 11, 15, 10, whatever, I will get through the 24 items eventually. Alright guys, so starting from the top, I have day 5 here. In this, I just have some tweezers that I know my babe needed some new tweezers. So I had just included some tweezers for my babe for day 5. I also have a list of everything I included, but I think it's more fun just to show you guys. Okay, so day 11. This one was so random. I saw it on, and I've also put like this crinkle paper inside, by the way, guys. But this one was so random because I saw it on Amazon and I was like, you know what? We gotta try it. So this is just bacon floss, and you guys see I folded the top here just to make it fit, but it works. So this is bacon floss. Is that gonna make your breath stink? I don't know. Is it gonna be tasty? I also don't know, but I thought it would be like a fun thing to try. So that was day 11. I'm just gonna turn it and make my way down the Christmas tree. All right, day 18. Here I have just some K-cups. My boyfriend likes these. They're Dunkin' Donuts French vanilla K-cups, and I was able to fit 4 in here, stacked on top of one another. Okay, then there is a day 3. Here I have some tissues. In the winter time, my boyfriend gets like a runny nose. So I have 2 little packs of tissues like this, and they have different quotes on it in here. So I have seize this moment, and the other one says believe in yourself. So I just have that in there. I fit one going sideways and like this, and then the other one I just had to curl a little bit and put in like that. Okay, but it works. Okay, moving along, day 24. Okay, so this is day 24. I have lots of crinkle paper in here, but inside of here I just have these little tires, and these are for my boyfriend's toy race car. He likes to go to the track with his friends and they like to race their cars, so I know that these are the tires that he needs for his little car. So I got him some of those for day 24. Okay, day 9. This is just some boxers, but that I rolled up real small and I was able to fit in there, but we don't gotta see that. Day 4. These are my boyfriend's favorite M&Ms. They are the pretzel M&Ms. So those are his fave. So I got him some of those for day 4. And then there's day 2 here. And here I also have some Reese's candies, and I have some regular peanut M&Ms in here. I don't have too much candy because that's not what I like to include, but I did include a little bit of them. Alright, so now we're gonna get to day 14, and this one, wait till you guys see that one. Alright, so here will be day 14. This will be a pain in the butt to tie back up because I made the ribbon a little too short, but here we go. So day 14, actually, I cut a piece off in the back. So these are car scents. My boyfriend does like to clean his car. So I have fresh cut grass and apple pie in here. And I also, I don't know if you guys can see, but I also needed to cut the back of the box. It's hollow on the inside, so it's not a big problem. So I was able to cut the back of the box, and then I had to cut this piece, as you guys could see here, and I was able to stick this inside. I'm actually gonna cut this piece off right now though, because I think that prevents it from going all the way in. And then I just tied a ribbon because this is quite heavy here, but it ends up working. Okay, so that was day 14. Let's keep turning this thing. I have day 16 right here. For day 16, well, it came out of here, so there I put a hole in here. But this is a St. Ives Acne Control Apricot Scrub. It's my boyfriend's favorite face wash. So I also cut a slit back there, as you guys could see, and this fits just sideways like so. And then I was able to just like slide it in here, pull it through a little bit, and then slide the box inside. So I made this work, guys. I really did. I thought I was gonna have to just put notes and riddles and have some things in a separate box, but you know what? We made this work. Okay, so day 2 over here is just some facial patches. These are like wrinkle patches. My boyfriend mentions like wrinkles sometimes, or I mention on him, I'm like, stop making that face because you're gonna get premature wrinkles. But we talked about like that one time, so I saw that and I was like, you know what, I had good reviews, we'll give it a try. Day 15, this is dark chocolate Swiss Miss. My boyfriend mentioned he wanted to try this one time when we were in Target. So I made sure to pick some of those up for him for this little calendar. And then we have day 8, and these are just these little coconut tree scent things for your car. These stick out a little bit because they're a little taller than my box, but you know what? They don't stick out too much, and so it's fine. Okay, and now moving down to my next layer. Okay, here we have day 19. Again, here I ended up cutting the back of the box a little bit. This is a scrub, for your grill. Okay, my boyfriend does grill a lot, so I cut it down, otherwise it wouldn't have fit. It was gonna stick out a little bit like this, so I had to cut down the box. I cut down the back of it a little bit as well, so I was able to fit this inside just like that. Okay, here is the next one, day 13. Here I have some Biore like facial patch nose strips. These are, you know, the blackhead remover ones. My boyfriend does like these. It's funny, I'll find him on FaceTime one time. Like, we'll be FaceTiming, and I answer the FaceTime call, and he has one of those on his nose. Sometimes I'll also do one with him, and I'll like put one on. Oh, what is this day? Am I missing one? Oh no. Oh guys, I have to go through this and see what this day. Am I short one? I thought I had put everything inside. 24 days of Christmas. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to do another one because it's actually the 25 days of Christmas for this. So this one is gonna end up being like a little sleepy time pillow spray. I have to make that, but it's just going to go into like a little spray container, and I'm gonna make it with essential oils. So that one will go in here. Alright, here we go guys. Day 25. I put in some crinkle paper and I just finished making the Sleepy Time pillow spray. I actually have a video tutorial on how I made it, or like what goes inside of here on my YouTube channel. So I just actually followed along with my own video and I made the Sleepy Time pillow spray. And this is just like a little, what is this, a 2-ounce little spray bottle. And it fits perfectly in here. Well, I just need to get rid of some crinkle paper in this corner here. Let's put some on top of it. Making a mess now. Alright, I'll take some crinkle paper out. Put some back in. Okay. Put some on top. I just think it looks cuter when there's some on top too. It's like they have to go digging for it. Okay. Throw it in there. And there you go. I have my Sleepy Time pillow spray for day 25 complete. And there you go guys. Day 20, what is this, 21. Here we have just some organic chapstick things. I really liked the tropical coconut flavor in here. I don't know, my boyfriend might like it too, but I just liked, you know, a lot of different flavors of lip balm. Then day 10 here, I have a gift card to the gas station. It's kind of like a thank you in a way, because my boyfriend like literally drives me everywhere all the time and to like the farthest places ever. So I wanted to make sure to give him a gift card for that. Here I have a black mask of charcoal. You know, sometimes my boyfriend likes doing stuff up, and this one peels off your face, which is really cool. And I also had to cut the back of this a little bit so that it would like go inside. So that was day 23. And did I do this one? Day 19. Oh, yeah. So we're now back at the grill scrub thing. Okay, and we're on the last row now. So here is day 6. Day 6 is just some golf balls. These are personalized, and I did have them say Merry Christmas on there. So my boyfriend does play golf, so I included some of those. Okay, day 20. Here I have some travel containers. I have 2 of these, and then I also have like a smaller one. And sometimes when we go traveling, my boyfriend's always like scrambling to go to the store where they have travel container sizes. But now that I got him big sizes of things, he could just transfer it over into here and doesn't have to pay the same price that you would for a bigger one for a small travel one, because I don't know why, but the small travel containers are just so expensive. So I wanted to get him some of those. Then day 7, here I have some hand cream. The other day I just noticed my boyfriend's hands were a little rough, and he doesn't work with his hands, like he's not in construction or anything, but I noticed that, and so I got him some hand cream, and that's supposed to be like a really good hand cream for people that work with their hands, so I figured it would work. And then this last one, I don't want to open it, but this one is a silk pillowcase that I had thrown in here. And are we back at day 1? Oh, and then here's day 1, which is a candle that he mentioned he liked the smell of when we were in TJ Maxx. It's fresh pine and balsam, and it does smell really good. But I was able to fit this little candle in here. So that ended up working just fine. And did I do this one? Oh, day 22 is another scent thing. He mentioned this over the summer, guys. I've been buying stuff since the summer. I had stuff already written down, but since the summer I started like buying stuff, and I like started kind of making this. Like I cut out all the paper over the summer just because I knew I wouldn't have so much time during the school year. But this is a scent plug-in that he mentioned he liked one time when we were in Bath and Body Works. No, not Bath and Body Works, Bed Bath and Beyond, I think. Yes, and this was a scent plug-in, but it was a candle called Banana Breeze, and my boyfriend mentioned he also likes scent plug-in, so I got him a scent plug-in for like a little change. Oh, and then day 6 we did that, and that's the golf balls. Then in this bottom box right here, I just have all of the extras of everything that, you know, couldn't fit in here. So let me show you guys. Carefully move this off of here. I'm gonna glue that on top, but for now, just to show you guys, I have this Christmassy box, And I just have all of the extras. So when I bought the acne control, I thought I was buying small little containers, but I ended up buying 4 of these bigger ones. And I was like, oh yeah, 6 ounces is gonna be really small and it would fit in there, but no, 6 ounces is actually the full size. So it came with a pack of 4, so I have that extra. I have the extra Swiss Miss, I have the extra K-Cups. I also got him 2 other car scents, so I have that included in here. The extra tissues, because those came in a big box. Obviously, if I bought like stuff individual, like smaller things, like I could, you know, I wouldn't have to do this on the bottom, but also these little extra travel containers. But I thought this was a nice way to just kind of like, you know, also tie everything together and not just have the Christmas tree not on anything, because, you know, Christmas trees normally, like, I don't know, I feel like they always look like they have something underneath, so it's nice that it has something to stand on, but I'm not going to put it back because I do need to glue it shut. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video of what's in my Christmas tree advent calendar. I think it's so gorgeous, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, enjoyed looking at it. Look how beautiful. I know, it's so gorgeous. Gorgeous. I had so much fun making it, and I hope my babe loves it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.